everyone! Welcome to my interior design channel today. We're diving into a design trend that's taking the world by storm: biophilic design. Now, if you're wondering what biophilic even means, don't worry, I've got you. It's all about bringing nature indoors to make our spaces feel like a peaceful retreat. And let's be honest, who doesn't want a little oasis at home these days? So, biophilic design. What is it exactly? Well, the word biophilic comes from biophilia, which means a love for nature. This design style focuses on natural elements like plants, natural light, earthy colors, and materials that connect us with the outdoors. Studies even show it can improve mood and productivity. Let me show you how easy it is to create this look in your own home. To achieve a biophilic look, we're talking natural materials, colors, and textures. Think wood, stone, water elements, and lots of greenery. Don't have a green thumb? No worries. There are so many great faux plants these days that look incredibly realistic. You can also use large windows or mirrors to create a sense of openness and connect with the outdoors, perfect for adding that natural vibe even in small spaces. Alright, here are some tips for creating your own biophilic paradise. Number 1. Plants, plants, plants. Even just a few strategically placed plants can bring in that fresh, calming energy. Number 2. Let the natural light flow. Avoid heavy drapes and opt for sheer curtains. Number 3. Use natural materials like a wooden coffee table, bamboo decor, or stone accents. And finally, add a water feature. Even a small tabletop fountain can give you that soothing vibe. Why all the hype? Biophilic design isn't just about looks. It's actually beneficial for mental health. Studies show that incorporating nature into our surroundings can reduce stress and boost creativity. Plus, plants help purify the air, which is a great bonus. So there you have it. Biophilic design is all about making your home feel like a natural haven, and it doesn't take much to get started. Let me know in the comments if you're planning to try it out, or if you've already brought a bit of nature into your home. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.